Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the Macally Backlit Bluetooth Ergonomic Keyboard, a contender aiming to redefine comfort and efficiency for Mac users. If you're someone who spends long hours typing away on a MacBook Pro, Air, or iMac, this keyboard might just be the ergonomic upgrade you've been searching for. The first thing that grabs your attention is the unique split design. Macally has clearly prioritized ergonomics here, aiming to promote a more natural posture and reduce strain on your wrists and forearms. It might take a few days to fully adjust to the split layout, but the potential benefits for long-term comfort are undeniable. The inclusion of padded wrist rests is a welcome addition, providing extra support and cushioning where you need it most. Furthermore, the 4 adjustable kickstands allow you to customize the keyboard's angle to find the perfect typing position for your individual needs. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its backlit keys. With 3 brightness levels, low, medium, and high, you can easily adjust the illumination to suit any lighting conditions. Whether you're working in a dimly lit room or burning the midnight oil, the backlit keys ensure that you can always see what you're typing. Connectivity is another area where the Macally keyboard shines. It seamlessly pairs with up to 3 Apple devices via Bluetooth, allowing you to switch effortlessly between your MacBook, iPad, and iPhone with the touch of a button. This is a huge time saver for anyone who juggles multiple devices throughout the day. Despite its ergonomic focus, the Macally keyboard doesn't sacrifice functionality. It features a familiar 100-key macOS layout, so you won't have to relearn the basics. Plus, it includes 13 convenient shortcut keys that provide quick access to frequently used functions like volume control, screen brightness, and media playback. This helps to streamline your workflow and keep you productive. Powering the Macally keyboard is a large 2,000 mAh rechargeable battery. This provides ample power for extended use, so you don't have to worry about constantly swapping out batteries. And when it's time to recharge, simply plug in the included USB-C cable. While the split design may require a bit of an adjustment period, the Macally Backlit Bluetooth Ergonomic Keyboard offers a compelling combination of comfort, functionality, and convenience. If you're looking for an ergonomic keyboard that's specifically designed for Mac users, this is definitely one to consider. It's a solid option for anyone seeking to enhance their typing experience and prioritize their well-being.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.